Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I know you guys can't see me, but today I'm going to be focusing on this monstrosity right now. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to close your closure, how to make it so that it's not so spreaded out, not so bald and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see how I do this, just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and all of the rest of that. Hit my bell to be notified when the next video will come out, because this is not going to be your last time seeing this wig. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So the things that I'm going to be using as of right now, because I may use more, but when I do I will tell you. I'm going to be using a spoolie, and this is an e.l.f. spoolie, and I like bent it, and this was like when it was like $1. And then I'm just using up some busted eyeshadow. This is an e.l.f. eyeshadow. I was going through my makeup throwing stuff away, and I went back and got this because it has a black eyeshadow. You're gonna need any black eyeshadow, brown, whatever color your hair is. As you can see, I have some brown spots because this hair was dark brown and I dyed it black, but I want it to be black. So I am going to be using black eyeshadow to cover this up. And yes, so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm now switching to a small smudge brush, and I did some off camera because I didn't know I wasn't recording. So yeah. Okay, so I've added 2 push pins to stretch out the closure so I can know what all I need to work on. And once again, my camera cam went off, so I didn't know that it wasn't recording, so a little bit more is done, but I just kept filling it in. Okay guys, so this is the final product. So there is some balding like in here, but it's not really balding. I just didn't brush it down all the way, and once I put this on my head, it will look way different. It was just the middle part that I was most worried about. So the last thing that I thought of while I was doing this was to take some hairspray, and so I'm just gonna spray this because hairspray is meant to hold, so maybe it'll hold the color. This is the finished product after putting the hairspray on and stuff. I think it came out pretty good for eyeshadow. Like, wow. Like, look how closed that is. It's gonna look even better when I put it on my head. So if you guys like this and this became helpful, give me a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if it was helpful to you guys. I would show myself in the camera, but I look like Shirley Temple. I can't even show myself, but this is what I look like right now. The white stuff is product. I'm about to get my mom to braid my hair so that I can put this wig on my head. Hope you guys like it. Talk to you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. Hit the bell. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.